Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how we can make videos on iPhone using front camera and back camera together. Usually, we cannot use front and back camera while making videos with our iPhone's main camera app. To make video using dual camera, we need an app. We will get the apps in the App Store. Go to the App Store and search by typing Double Taker. Install the app and open it. After opening the app, you will see such an interface. From here, click on New Record option. As soon as you click on the New Record option, we will see that iPhone camera is opened and the dual camera is opened at the same time. When we open the phone camera, we can see the same options here. We will use as we need. If you want to turn off the front camera during the video, click on this icon. Click on Record button to record video using dual camera together. Then our video will be recorded. When the video is recorded, the record icon will look like this. Press Recorded inside our Record app. The video does not go to our Photos app by default. So we have to click on the share icon to save the videos to Photos app. Now click on Save Video option from here. Then the video will be saved in Photos app. This way you can use the front and back camera together to make videos. So this was today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you liked, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.